Welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Suzanne Lawson from White Branches. This meditation is to remind you to stay in the present moment. So come to lie on your back in Shavasana, corpse pose, with your arms away from your body, palms facing up, your legs slightly apart with your feet dropped to the side, ankles relaxed into the ground. Let the ground hold your body. Take a nice big deep breath in through the nose and a long, soothing, cooling breath through the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale, and again. Inhale bring your attention to the connection of your feet on the floor or your heels. Notice how that feels. Notice how you are supported and how you are held. Keep your eyes open for a moment and just take a soft, steady gaze in front of you. And let us just think about whether we focus on the now, whether we focus about the end of practice, whether we focus about the end of our day, whether we focus about the end of our week, whether we focus about the end of our year, or the end of our lifetime. Let us focus on the present moment. Right now is our certainty. It's tempting to drift to the future, and with that we may become fearful, we may feel worry. Let us concentrate on the truth now, this very moment. Close the eyes. Let the breath be steady and even. Allow your attention to connect with your breath as you inhale. And as you exhale, you may drift with goals. You may drift with dreams. You may drift with purpose. But allow yourself to come back to the here and now as you inhale and exhale. There's no need for any effort in the breath. Just allow the breath to be steady and even. As you've now connected your body with the mat beneath you, the earth beneath you, notice any other sounds in the room that you are in, other than my voice or the soft music. Notice the temperature in the room around you. How does it feel? Around your face, around your fingers, and around your toes. Just bring your awareness to your body, your awareness to the space around you. And let's do a full body scan. So bring your attention to your toes and encourage them to relax. Allow the tops of the feet to completely relax. Let your ankles relax. Allow the muscles in your calves to completely relax, and the muscles in your shins completely relax. Encourage your kneecaps and the muscles around them to completely relax. Moving up to your thighs and the backs of your legs. Allow the ground beneath you to allow the muscles to melt and let go. The ground is supporting you, supporting your pelvis. Moving up to the middle body, your rib cage, hips, and all of your organs. Allow them to completely relax. Noticing your breath as you inhale and as you exhale into the muscles throughout the rib cage. Noticing how you feel, how the earth is supporting your spine beneath you. Moving up towards the shoulders, see if you can relax them any further into the ground beneath you. As you inhale and as you exhale, notice the temperature rise and fall as you're drawing in the heat and exhaling the heat. Taking your attention to the tops of your arms, your elbows, your forearms, allowing them to completely melt into the earth beneath you. Moving now to your wrists and all 10 fingers. As you inhale and exhale, can you mindfully go to each finger, starting with the pinky finger, and relax it any more, moving through your fingers one by one. Few more breaths here. Notice where you're feeling any tension in the wrists, in the hands, in the fingers. Moving up the arms to the neck, front of the neck, back of the neck, the jaw. Slightly open the mouth and allow the tongue to relax away from the top of the mouth. See if you can allow the jaw to relax any further. the muscles in the lips, the muscles in the cheeks, and the muscles in your nose. Take your attention to your ears, your attention to your temples. Can you relax your earlobes? Relax the top of your ears, releasing any tension in the temples. Can you release any more tension in the eye sockets? Can you allow your eyelids to relax even more? Moving up to your forehead, release tension in the forehead, allowing any tension that causes the forehead to frown to release. Eyebrows relaxed. Can you encourage the hair on your head to relax? Allowing the back of your head to melt into the ground beneath you. Top of your head is completely relaxed. The skull is relaxed and at ease. Take a moment to focus on your breath. Focus on the inhale and focus on the exhale. Notice the air temperature when you breathe in through the nose and the air temperature when you breathe out through the nose. As you inhale and as you exhale. Using your breath and your focus, notice that air as it comes and as it goes. Our breath is our truth. Our breath is our certainty. When we are faced with problems, we must take time to focus on our breath. Focusing on our breath helps us to focus the mind and be present in the here and in the now. Should your mind wander, allow the breath to move up through the body as you inhale and down and away through the body as you exhale. So as you inhale, coming through the belly, up through the rib cage, and as you exhale, take your attention down the back of the body, back of the rib cage, back of the hips. Continue as you breathing in all the way up the front body, and as you're breathing out all the way down the back body. keep that breath continuous as it flows up through your body and out of your body. You will create your own prana, your own energy, just from your breath. Now slowly start to deepen that breath and notice how that feels in your abdomen, in your rib cage, as you're breathing in and as you're breathing out. When you breathe in, allow the belly to rise. When you breathe out, allow the belly to subside and contract back to the spine. Inhale, belly rises. Exhale, belly release. When you inhale, the belly rises, drawing that energy up through the rib cage. And on your exhale, allow the ribs to melt and let go beneath you, and the belly relax. Continue this breathing in your own rounds, in your own breath, in your own time. Whether we focus on the end of our practice, the end of our day, the end of our week, the end of a year, or the end of our lifetime, we should make sure that we always focus on the present moment at least once every day. Take a nice big deep breath in through the nose and a big breath out through the mouth. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, and again. Inhale and exhale. Slowly wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, and draw your knees into your chest.